Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's session, I am going to tell you how to check images details like OS version, architecture, metadata, labels, entry point, port details like that. And if Podman setup part, if you didn't see my previous video, then just go to our playlist section and see all the Podman related videos so that you will get the better understanding for pulling the images, running that images, remove that images, remove containers, start containers like that. So in this video, let's see how to see all the information of the images. So first we need to open CMD to checking all the images detail. So let's press Windows R button from the keyboard. In here we need to type CMD, then we need to enter it. So as we already know, first we need to check Podman machine status. So I'm just going to use Podman machine ls command. So you can see right now one one machine is running. You can see in here. So I'm just going to checking Podman images details by using Podman images. So you can see right now 4 images is available in my local system. So if I want to see all the information of the Nginx images like architecture, OS details, metadata, port number, entry points like that. So there is a command that we need to use it. Podman inspect and image name or image ID we can pass anything. So I'm just going to use Podman inspect. So after inspect we need to pass image name or image ID. So I'm going to passing image ID. So I'm going to copying image ID and pasting in here. Now we need to enter it. You can see here JSON format data will appear. You can see name, history, created and created by, comments, empty layer like that. All the information you can see and I'm going to up. Here you can also see history details when it is modified anything in these images you can see in the history section. Here it is the labels. You can see label section and here these are the layers. So you can see layers information as well. Here size also it's defined and OS architecture as well. Author if any author name are provided in the images, so you can see in the author section. Version, you can also see version details in the version and entry points. You can also see docker entry sh and cmd. This is the main command which will run nginx I daemon off like that. And here this is the config. In the config you can see exposed port. So this is the port number 80 and this is the env. Env basically environment details information you can see in the env type. So by using inspect type you can see all the images details. So in this video I told you how to see all the images details by using Podman inspect commands. So I'm just cleaning this screen and also going to show you another images details like that. So I'm just going to Podman inspect and copying the Olamma image ID. Here I'm going to entering it. You can also see all the details Olamma as well. So here this is the history and here manifest type, labels also you can see, root FAS, layers, their version, author, all the details you can also see for Olamma images details. And here this is the port number for Olamma. Olamma port detail is a 11434. This is the by default port of the images. So you can also watch my previous video for running these images and pulling these images and stopping the containers, removing the containers as well. So if you have any doubt of the inspect commands, you can comment or connect to me. I will explain if you have any issue. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update to upcoming videos. Thank you.